Django environment. For a moment, can we ignore this one and just look at paper? Paper can be downloaded, and then you'll need to do a little setup in Django general environment. You will need to put paper into settings. There it is. And you'll need to put it into the URLs there. You will also need to migrate. I've already done the migration here, so let's not worry about that. We also run server. Let's just do that again to show. Right. I hope you're not one of those people who pays money and then expects shiny things. The model is equipped with several views, and if we just use the base view, normally we would expect to see a list of items, and here we are. A list of items. This is Django's list view. This is the raw version of Django's list view. Has no CSS. And if you felt a cold feeling run down your spine, if you felt the muscles twitch uncontrollably, then you are probably a Joomla user. And at the sight of this, you wonder if you dare even take one step forward and have a look at what one of the items may look like. Dare you? Oh. Can you smell it? Is there a knot in your stomach? Well, you're probably a WordPress user, and the sight of this is probably just too much. Are there actually admin screens? Oh, was that too fast? 4 characters? If you are perhaps a Magneto user, you may have to just push your eyes aside. This is what a Django form, a create view, actually looks like with no CSS. It's going to be the worst, isn't it? This is going to be what you feared. Apart from accidents. It is. It is. It's awful. It's Django. Of course, there are people out there who know what they are doing. They are the people who are Django users, and they wouldn't do this at all. They'd do something else. They know where they're going. They know just round the corner is some kind of safety. If only they can type the right URL in. There's a door, isn't there? There's a door. It's only 3 doors down. It's here. We're inside. We're inside. I see security guards. I can see escalators. I can see people who will take my money and smile back. I'm in the admin site, where no user can find me. I don't want to go away. I really don't. It's all so beautiful. The colours. But there is a big secret here. With paper, you can still go outside. You can. Watch what doesn't happen here. The sneaky little path addition there. Nothing happened. However, if we go over to settings, and stomp in with quick views, we should have had a reboot, which we have. This was the block we were ignoring. Quick views is a support module, an app for Django which provides extra stuff. And maybe... I see trees. I see little buds and sunlight. I see sheep dancing the tango, drinking alcohol. Oh, it's beautiful. And then, all of a sudden, we run the management command, and it's all over.